Hello, welcome to my channel. Mariam here. In today's episode, I bring you Ghanaian coconut ice cream. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video and make this yummy ice cream. And I know you are going to love it. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. And I have here my whole dry milk powder. I'll leave the quantities in the description box, so please do go and check it up, okay? And I also have here my custard powder. Any supermarket you go in Ghana here, you get custard to buy. And I also have my sweetener. I'll be using white sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use honey, you can use brown sugar, you can even use condensed milk. And if you don't like sweet, just omit this part, okay? And I have here my salt. Somebody may ask, salt in ice cream? Yes, salt in ice cream. It takes the whole recipe to different level. So just a pinch of salt will do the rest of the job, okay? And I also have my evaporated milk. I'll be using ideal milk. And of course, you can use any evaporated milk of your choice. And finally, this is the queen of today's recipe, vanilla essence. We the ice cream lovers, we can't go with our ice cream without vanilla in there. And this is my coconut milk. I made a video on how to make coconut oil. So alongside, you will be able to make this coconut milk. I will leave the link in the description box, so please do go and check it out. In a bowl, I pour in my custard powder and then go in with a little bit of cold water, okay? And then mix it well. Make sure that it's well mixed so that it doesn't form any lumps. So in the same bowl, I pour in my milk powder, and this time around I'll be using a warm water. Don't use cold water to mix the milk powder, okay? Just something warm is okay. And I have enough water in my coconut milk, so I don't need much water in this mixture. So just something small is okay. Then when it's all mixed, then I add my coconut milk into it and stir everything together. Now I can go ahead and add my coconut milk. Voila, I have added my coconut milk, so just go ahead and then stir everything together. Now to my sugar. Please add the sugar according to your taste, okay? In my house, we don't like too much sugar, so a little bit is okay for me. So in a pan, I pour in small amount of water, allow it to boil, and then go in with my custard. Please, when you are making this in your home, use whisk instead of the stirring stick, okay? And then go in with my cream, stir it together. Make sure that it's well mixed. There you go. So at this point, my cream is still on fire, so I can turn off the heat. Along with two ingredients, we have not added it yet, but we will turn off the heat because I don't want to denature the protein in this cream. So when it's cooled down, then we add those two ingredients. Voila, my cream has cooled down, so now I can go ahead and add my evaporated milk. My small boy is next to me here and he's seriously crying for this milk, so I just pour in and leave something small for him to drink. And then finally, our vanilla essence. So I will just add 1 lid. I think 1 lid will be okay because I don't like too much flavor in my ice cream. Oh, but I think it's not enough, so I'll just go ahead and add something small to it. So this time around, I guess it's okay. So stir, mix everything together. So I think we are done with this part, okay? These are the cups that I'll be using, and I also have here my sticks. I'll be using chewing sticks, so And in Ghana here, we are not used to popsicle molds. This is what we are used to, the small cups, and this is what we grew up with. Okay, so I have poured my cream into this jar, and because of this tape will make it easy for me to fill my cups. This is Ghanaian way of enjoying ice cream. So see you in the next 8 hours. I'm going to put this in my deep freezer. So bye. There you go. It's already 8 hours and our ice cream is ready. You can see it yourself. And the aroma here, oh my god, I can't tell it all. So this is how we do it. You pour a little bit of water in a bowl and then put the cups inside. Allow it to demold and then hold the stick and remove it from the cup. So simple. This is how we Ghanaian we enjoy our ice cream, okay? Just like that. Snack is served. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section below. Thank you once again. Much love.